Alright guys, this is a customer's car I just finished up. Done a Procharger install. It's a P1X kit, pulleyed for 7 to 8 pound of boost for the stock internals. This is a 5.7 car, 23 model, last call edition. Done the Procharger kit, race intercooler, race bypass valve. Done the Mighty Mouse catch can, it's a wild kit. Done the MMX valve covers. Done the MMX drop-in fuel pump for the 2020s and up. Larger injectors and custom tuning. I worked on this car a while back when I was working for American Muscle Performance before they shut down the WV location. Done a cam in at the end. Done the MMX NA lope cam and long tube headers with high flow cats. And it has a AWE catback exhaust on it. So if you need any work done, you can look me up on Facebook, Bentley Performance and Automotive. And my email is bentleyperformance304@yahoo.com. I'll also link it down in the description. But I'm going to start doing some work here and there. Open my own shop up, just working from home. So, but that's it for this video. Just a short little clip. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.